Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to integrate WooCommerce with Lendio. Integrating WooCommerce with Lendio allows you to track online store sales, payouts, and fees automatically. This gives you a complete view of e-commerce performance. Let's get into it. First step is to log into Lendio and then open integrations and go to connected accounts. There you're going to select add accounts and then choose WooCommerce from the list. Next is to enter your WooCommerce store URL if prompted. Now just sign in and authorize Lendio to access store data. Select the correct store if multiple sites are connected, and be sure to allow order, payments, and fees to synchronize. Customize WooCommerce income and related expenses. You can set auto rules if available. Lastly, confirm ongoing automatic synchronization. Once connected, WooCommerce sales flows directly into Lendio, which of course reduces manual tracking and improves visibility into your store's financial health. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.